Welcome to Forex Success. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to find good trade setups using the smart money concept. We're going to be using three major concepts, which is first, market structure, order block, and liquidity sweep. First of all, about market structure, the market moves forming higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs. This is usually denoted in HH for higher highs and HL for higher lows. HL for higher lows. Why this is lower high, LH, and lower lows, LL. Lower high and lower low, LL. So this is simply market structure. When market forms higher highs and higher lows, means that the market structure is bullish. And then when market forms lower highs and lower lows, it means that market structure is bearish. However, there are times when this higher highs, bullish market structure turns to bearish market structure, like this. So when this happens, this simply is called a change of character. So we have a higher high here, and a higher low. The market created its last higher high. Sometimes this can be an equal high or a higher high, and then market sweeps down this last support level, thereby giving a lower low because it closed below this higher low. So that has simply formed a change of character because there is a break of structure right here that has simply formed a change of character. So what market do is market pushed up for a correction move, forming a lower high, and then continue for an impulsive move, forming a lower low and continue moving to the downside. So this is market structure. Every time a higher low breaks the previous higher high, it is called a break of structure, denoted with BOS. So that is a break of structure. So every time market breaks this higher high level, it is a break of structure, denoted in BOX. So now this is break of structure and market change of character. So every time, always remember, market moves in higher highs and higher lows for bullish market structure. So market is not supposed to close below these demand zones. It is not supposed to close below these demand zones. But anytime market close below these demand zones, know that there is a change of character, just like this. So what market is expected to do is push up for a correction move and continue to the downside. This is what market structure means. So now let's check it out on WeChat to see what we're actually talking about. Okay, around this area, market was forming higher highs and higher lows. So this is our first example. Market was forming higher highs and higher lows. So in this example, I'm going to be showing you how you can find the setup and trade it as well. But before I show you that, a lot of people are asking how should they do their fundamental analysis? How should they check the news? So fundamental analysis, in case you don't know what it is, fundamental analysis is simply checking for political, economical, and social forces that can change the price of a currency. So in order for us to do this effectively, we used Fastbull. Fastbull is one of the best platforms for checking economic calendar. So one of the features I love about them is the fact that you can select or you can filter which country you want to be seeing on your screen. So let's say you are the type who trade just US pair, dollar pairs, or GBP pairs. So you can come here select which pair you want to be seeing on your screen. This is one good thing about Fastbull. And also, guys, look at it. This is how you check your fundamentals using economic calendar provided by Fastbull. So you can come here, just search out for the country that you want to see their fundamentals. Just for example, we are trading Euro USD, so I can come here and look for Euro news or USD news. So seeing right now on Euro news, look at this. Look at how this is so effective. Just watch. This is Euro zone, you can see, and this news actually based on the impact is showing that Euro USD bearish. It's showing Euro USD bearish. It's also showing Euro USD bearish right here. So look at the chart. So on the chart, what is Euro USD doing? Euro USD is bearish. So you can see how effective this can be. So Euro USD is bearish. So that's why I recommend you guys to use Fastbull. So as I explained, we have this market currently forming higher highs and higher lows. This market is currently forming higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, this is the high, this is a low, then a high, a low, a high, a low here, then this is the last higher high. I'm gonna denote this HH, last higher high HH. The market came here for a higher low. So this is the last higher low, and the market pushed up again for a higher high. And then what did market do? Market switched down to form a lower low. Now there is a lower low here. It has broken this low, thereby created a change of character around here. So now what this market is expected to do, since it has created a change of character, it is expected to push up for a correction movement. In other words, a retracement, thereby it just did it right here to form a lower high, and then it comes down for a lower low. So when this happens, this is what we do as SMC traders, or we understand what order block means. So what is an order block? An order block is the candle that is used to sweep out liquidity. So first of all, you need to understand that there are liquidity lines around these areas. The liquidity lying around these areas right here. So this candle pushed up, swept up liquidity. There are a lot of buy stops, or there are people waiting for price to break this resistance level and so they can buy. But however, market took them out by dropping down. So market has swept liquidity from here. Therefore, this is our order block. This candle is the order block where I just cycled red. I'm going to make it very much. So this is our order block. This candle that was used to sweep out liquidity is our order block. So since that we already have an order block right now, so what we wait, since there is a change of character, an order block, now we wait for price to come tap into the order block, and then we short it from there. So in this kind of setup, we'll have a trade setup like this: entry around the order block, stop loss above the order block, and targeting the low just like this. So this can give us a 1 to 2.7 risk to reward ratio. So this is how we trade it. Another example I'm going to give you for better understanding is this. So this setup right here will have Euro USD currently on an uptrend. So Euro USD right here is on an uptrend. All we need to check out for, let there be a change of character. And also, okay, something I would also love to share with you is that once you see market structure bullish, forming higher highs and higher lows, just like this, forming higher highs and higher lows. If you see market structure forming higher highs and higher lows, these are buy opportunities for you. These are areas to buy. These are areas to buy. So let's come back. So in this example, market is bullish. Why? Because it is forming higher highs and higher lows. Market is completely bullish, forming higher highs and higher lows. So all we have to do is we either wait for a change of character, or we wait for price to come back to the low, and then we can look for a setup around there. So that is what we do as traders. What we need to do right here is to look at it. Look at it, guys. Market structure in this area is bullish. Is bullish. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This was the last high. Last higher high here. And then what happened? Market changed character by breaking below this low. This is the last lower high. Market broke below the low, thereby a change of character occurred. So since there's a change of character occurred, and this was our previous lower high right here, this was our previous lower high right here, therefore this was where price used to give us a false breakout, break to the upside. This was a false breakout, which is our order block. This was used to take out stop losses, and then price pushed down, changing character. So now this order, will mark out our order block, because this is the candle price used to sweep out liquidity. So we'll mark out our order block. Marking out our order block right here. So this is our order block. And then what do we expect? We expect a sell from here to the downside. We expect as soon as price comes to our OB right here, we short it to the downside. Short it to the downside, and then stop loss above the order block. So this can give us a 1 to 5 risk to reward on this trade. So this is how we use it, the SMC concept to trade. Understand your market structure, understand liquidity, and understand your order block. Trust me, you always find good setup using this. Our last example is here. Market structure also bullish, forming higher highs and higher lows. Forming higher highs and higher lows. Yes, and right here we have a liquidity sweep right here. Liquidity sweep that you should follow is the one that leads to a change of character, just like this. So we had a change of character here. Therefore, we mark out our order block. This is my order block right here. So I'm going to mark out order block. So this is order block. The candle that was used to sweep out liquidity. This is the long candle right here. So it's up to here. And then what do? We wait for price to tap into the order block, and then we drop it from there. So short position, entry around here. Entry around here. Targets it all the way to the downside. So stop loss above the order block. So this guy, if you notice, it dropped this low, and then it also swept liquidity from here. Price also swept liquidity from here. You can see this guy swept liquidity from here. Therefore, we'll have another order block. This will give us another entry. So we'll mark this out as another block. Yes, so this is our new order block. So marking this out as our new order block gives us another entry for this trade. So as soon as price taps into the order block again, we'll go in for a new position. You can see, so this stop loss is going to be here, and then we target the next liquidity zone, which is here. We could target the low, and then we drop this guy all the way to the downside. So this could also be a 1 to 4 weeks to reward ratio. So that is all for now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.